Hello guys, so today I bought the GMK67 mechanical keyboard, and it kind of looks like this, but no keycaps, and it has a knob, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so this is it. So let's unbox it. Oh wow, it's very hot. Let's get on this later. Let's see if there's any things. There's a there's a switch puller, I think, keycap or switch, and the plug wire, cable, sorry. And let's go on to this part. Oh my goodness. Knob in place. I also bought switches, so it'd be very good. So I bought switches to put on. I'll put it on. And keycaps, of course. And I'm gonna plug it in with this. You just put it here, and bam, nice and easy. And yeah. Now let me put this switches. Yeah. Here is the switches. Sounds good. Now I'm gonna put the keycaps. So guys, these are the keycaps. So look, this looks so cool. Gonna put this here. Oh my god, I press it hard. Let me just do this. Oh, what just happened? It's not working. Let me just do this. Here's it, guys. This is the keyboard. It looks so cool. Arrow keys here. It looks so cool. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Really, people, forgot something. Typing test. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.